Abia community rejects government's proposed cattle market. Asha people protesting Abia State government proposed cattle market at Obei. The people of Asha in Ukwa West local government area of Abia State have rejected the state government's proposed cattle market in Obei, noting that they do not have land for such a project. They argued that Ukwa West local government area has the smallest landmass in Abia, and as the only oil producing area in the state, a substantial landmass is interspersed with oil and gas pipeline, such that a small patch of land is left out for agricultural activities from which the people are living with. They instead urged Governor Okezie Ikpeazu to relocate the market to his Umuobikwa community in Obingwa local government area, stressing that they do not have enough land for such business. To show their resentment on the decision of Abia State government, the people on Friday, August 14, 2020, carried out a peaceful demonstration on Aba-Port Harcourt Expressway, which caused gridlock on the busy road. The demonstration brandished placards with messages such as "Take the cattle market to Omi-Bikwa Obingwa," that is, the Governor Ikpeazu village. Fulani herdsmen are destroying our farms on daily basis. Ukwa needs government protection, not cattle market. Cite the cattle market at Umuobikwa based on its proximity to Aba, among others. Onwubiko Dike, President General, Asha Development Union (ADU), in company of IK Ajuziogu, Secretary General ADU, explained that the essence of the peaceful demonstration is to make it clear that Ukwa people are not willing to give out their land for any cattle-related business. Of course, it is in the public domain that the raging countrywide insecurity orchestrated by Fulani herdsmen has become a palpably recurrent decimal threatening national security. Already, the Fulani herdsmen are all over Ukwa West local government area, especially Owaza and Obiakpo community, perpetrating heinous crimes including kidnapping of our people and demanding ransom. Incidents of this ugly scenario have been well recorded in the diary of the Divisional Police Headquarters, Obei, Asha. Ukwa land should not be mortgaged for nasty, obnoxious, irrational, repugnant, and unconscionable political interest. Cattle market at Obei is a political necessism of the most bizarre order. Ukwa people totally reject this cold and callous political impunity of cattle market, verging on a terribly mischievous and wickedly marooned power mongering. The rage of Asha Development Union is against the dying conscience of whoever is playing politics of cattle market to enslave and suffer the souls of innocent Ukwa people under absolutely false facade of development. Abia State government should look elsewhere for cattle market as Ukwa land cannot accommodate the asphyxiating and anthematizing living condition associated with such project, they said. ADU notes that Ukwa West local government has the smallest landmass in Abia and as the only oil producing area in the state, a substantial landmass is interspersed with oil and gas pipeline, such that a small patch of land is left out for agricultural activities from which the people are living with. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, I don't really understand what these governors are really doing. I don't really understand their plight. I don't really know where they are heading to or what they actually meant by wanting to give a space to Fulanis for cattle market. These people, they are not ready to learn. So they are not aware with all these things that has been happening in the north. With all this that has been going on in the north, they are not still satisfied and they are not still okay with all these things, yet they want all these things to be going to still continue. With all these crimes the herdsmen are committing in the southeast, killing innocent people, they still want to keep them in their own land. These people must be very, I think these governors must be very, very biased kind of people. They must be very, very biased people. Eh? Can you imagine? Eh? How can you give the little portion that the people of Abia State are managing for agricultural produce? You want to give some part of it to Fulani herdsmen to rear cattle for what? For what? Did they told you that they need did they tell you that they need any Fulani people to come over and rear cattle in their market? Or did they told you that they need cattle markets in the state? This is complete wickedness. What kind of thing is that? And why? Why would they be behaving like that? It's totally wrong. Completely wrong. Let them relocate their cattle market to their own village. Generally, the southeast Traders Association have come up with a decision that no one should patronize or involve into importation of livestock from the north. At least that should stop. If that is stopped, this daily menace that we are encountering, killing, kidnapping, will come to an end. It's because we are giving them room. That is why they have the chance and the opportunity to penetrate inside us. Because we are giving them the chance. But if we don't give them the chance, what will give them that courage to say that they want to penetrate us? You see what I'm saying in my other videos? That if only we can all speak in one voice, if only the Igbo leaders, the governors, the senators, if only they can hear to the voice of the people, follow them up. You see, this issue of herdsmen killing the northern people, the southeast people, will come to an end. This is completely wrong. It's completely wrong. Let Governor Okezie Ikpeazu, if he knows the right thing, he doesn't need to be reminded. Let him do what he knows that is right, and make sure that no portion in that market is released to any Fulani herders. They should not be. In fact, the people should amplify their protest. They should amplify it and make sure that these Fulani people doesn't come to the market. My viewers, what do you think I've said? Your comments are very important too. Don't hesitate to leave them behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.